Hi, in front of me is ZTE Blade V8 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, you need to find clock and click on it. Now select this alarm icon over here at the top left corner if it's not already on, and click on this orange plus icon. Now you can set up an hour over here by clicking on it. And then when you're done, click OK. Now you can select days of the week by clicking on the chosen ones. I will go with Fridays and, for example, Wednesdays. After that, you can click on snooze and select how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. Click save, tap on ringtone and select one of those melodies as your alarm sound by clicking on the chosen one and tapping OK. But you can also click on music or recordings and pick music from your device the same way. Now tap on label and label your alarm however you wish to. Click OK one more time and click save. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. If you want to turn it off completely, click on the switcher next to it. In order to turn it back on, tap on the same one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!